What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's look at latest Blackshark 12.5 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. The port is from Ragnar, who is behind the Gladiator OS. Since it is from Blackshark, the ROM is originally called as Joy UI 12.5. As same as POCO, Blackshark is also using MIUI as base. When it comes to about phone session, the ROM is based upon Android 11. The version is Joy UI 12.5. Security patch is from 1st July 2021 and the kernel coupled is Optimus Drang 11.17. The password and security includes fingerprint and face unlock. Both are pretty faster and responsive, but there is no support for IR face unlock. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. Display settings includes dark mode, which works pretty well. You can also enable the new style control center from here, but notch shading is missing from here. If you go to developer options, there is option for display cutout management, but it still lags hiding notch completely. Under always on display, the option is present, but after enabling it, I couldn't get it working state. The ROM comes out with MIUI cam. You can use the cam for capturing pictures and recording videos, but options like portrait, pano are going to crash your app. There is no presence of slow-mo as of now. When it comes to QoS panel, the ROM does got latest control center model, and it is very faster and smooth. But there is no screen recorder present. I did install third-party screen recorder for my needs. Moving forward, the ROM is rooted out of the box, but if you hide the images properly, you can pass Saftynet as well as Google Play protection. If you check XE Linux, it is permissive by default. Out of the box, Antutu scores 3,17,000 plus. And Geekbench scores for single core 271 and multi-core 1170, which are not that pleasing one. To understand more about performance, I did perform a 30-minute CPU throttling test and resulted 1,99,000 plus as average score, which is good of course for Snapdragon 845. Now that being said, let's do a gaming test. BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. Overall, the ROM is just okay build as of now. There is UI lags noticed multiple times. Needs some optimization for sure in this area. And ROM is rooted. Unlike previous Gladiator builds, this one is having heating issue. After benchmarking and CPU test, the phone temperature was near to 55 degrees Celsius. There is bugs present in different applications and sessions. As of now, I don't think this build can be considered as a daily driver. When it comes to gaming, you will get average gaming experience. There is major frame drops present at times, but maybe changing to some other kernels can improve the gaming experience. Anyways, as an initial build, this ROM does a good job. I will be looking after version 2. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here and I'll catch you in next one.